nightlife, Bora. Let's try to walk in along the shores of Bora. Along with them. Dilim.
Pagka sila ate mas ka bumalik.
Tapos mararamdaman mo yan pag station po ka.
Tapos ano,
Station one,
pa-party na
Station 1 pa
pa-party.
rin to.
Station 2.
Station 2, tapos dulo station.
Yun na yung marami
Pag
nagpa-party-party.
station to, marami ng artista. Marami artista. Station 2.
ABS.
Ang hilig mo mag-joke. Ha! Tawa tayo guys. Guys,